Hi everyone. Today I don't want to speak about machine specifications such as cutting force, cylinder diameter or motor power. Instead, I would like to talk about what has become more important in today's recycling industry, the scrap processing cost per ton. With the current conditions in the market, scrap margins are shrinking. Every euro or dollar saved in operating cost directly increases profit. The real question is not the initial investment, but how much does it cost to process 1 ton of scrap throughout the machine's lifetime? This philosophy drives the way we design all of our equipment. A machine should not only be productive. It should consume less energy, require minimal maintenance, maximize uptime, and deliver reliable performance. This is where AYMAS stands out. We aim to build machines that deliver exceptional value for your business. AYMAS machines offer an outstanding price-to-performance ratio. Our goal is simple: to help customers achieve the lowest possible operating cost per ton while maintaining high productivity and dependable performance. Because in the end, you don't make money by buying machines. You make money by processing scrap efficiently and profitably.